Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about what is holistic health and why the concept of holistic health is very important for us. The evolution of healthcare has been remarkable, with cutting-edge technologies, pharmaceutical breakthroughs, and specialized medical interventions transforming the way we address different diseases. However, as we marvel at these achievements, a crucial aspect is sometimes overlooked: the interconnected nature of our well-being. The contemporary healthcare system, with its focus on specialization and targeted treatments, has excelled in managing acute conditions and specific ailments. However, the tendency to compartmentalize health concerns and treat symptoms in isolation can lead to a fragmented understanding of an individual's overall well-being. This approach, while effective in certain contexts, may neglect the broader factors influencing health factors that extend beyond the physical to encompass mental, emotional, and spiritual dimensions. The result is a healthcare system that, despite its successes, may not fully address the root causes of ailments or provide a comprehensive strategy for long-term well-being. So, what exactly is holistic health? It's an approach that considers the whole person, their lifestyle, emotions, environment, and belief systems. It's about creating a synergy between the mind, body, and soul, fostering balance and promoting the body's natural ability to heal itself. Holistic health acknowledges the interconnectedness of different aspects of our lives. It encourages us to look beyond quick fixes and consider the long-term impact of our choices on our well-being. Now, you might be wondering, why is holistic health better for everyone's daily life? Well, it's about personalized care, addressing the root cause, and promoting preventive measures. Holistic health empowers individuals to take an active role in their well-being, making lifestyle choices that support a healthier, more vibrant life rather than treating those diseases which develop over time while neglecting or not knowing the root cause. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. Instead, it recognizes that each person is unique and requires a tailored strategy for optimal health. From nutrition and exercise to stress management and mindfulness, holistic health embraces a diverse range of practices. In our fast-paced modern world, with groundbreaking advancements in medicine and technology, we find ourselves navigating a healthcare landscape that, though undeniably effective in many ways, often falls short of embracing the holistic ethos of our ancient healers. Ancient healers from cultures around the globe shared a common belief: the interconnectedness of mind, body, and soul. They recognized the importance of balance for optimal health and well-being. Ancient healers emphasized that these three aspects of an individual are interconnected and must be considered together for overall well-being. It wasn't merely a philosophical abstraction. It was a guiding principle that influenced every facet of their healing practices. In ancient subcontinent, Ayurveda, a holistic system of medicine, viewed health as a state of equilibrium among bodily functions, mental well-being, and spiritual harmony. Practitioners of Ayurveda understood that imbalances in one aspect could ripple into others, impacting an individual's overall health. This holistic perspective guided treatments, which often included herbal remedies, dietary adjustments, and mindfulness practices. Similarly, traditional Chinese medicine, rooted in ancient Taoist philosophy, recognized the dynamic interplay between the body's vital energy, known as qi, and the balance of yin and yang forces. Chinese healers aimed to restore harmony by addressing imbalances, often utilizing acupuncture, herbal medicine, and movement-based therapies like Tai Chi. Ancient Greek medicine, as exemplified by figures like Hippocrates, also embraced holistic principles. The famous quote, "Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food," reflects an understanding of the intimate connection between diet and health. Hippocrates emphasized the importance of treating the whole person rather than isolated symptoms. These wise healers understood that a holistic approach to health wasn't just about treating symptoms but addressing the root cause, embracing natural remedies, and nurturing a harmonious relationship between the individual and their environment. By recognizing the delicate interplay of these elements, these healers paved the way for a holistic paradigm that continues to resonate in our modern understanding of health and wellness. Fast forward to the present day, where modern medicine has made incredible strides, there's a growing recognition that it often treats symptoms in isolation, sidelining the holistic perspective. This realization has sparked a growing recognition among healthcare professionals and the general public alike, an acknowledgement that a more holistic perspective is needed to navigate the complexities of our health. The United States, like many other nations, is experiencing a paradigm shift in healthcare consciousness. The pursuit of holistic health is gaining momentum as individuals yearn for a more personalized, integrative approach, one that considers not only the physical symptoms but also the factors that contribute to our overall health and vitality. In the upcoming videos, we'll explore the essence of holistic health, understand why it's becoming increasingly relevant in our daily lives, and discover how embracing this comprehensive approach can empower us to lead healthier, more fulfilling lives. So, if you found this video inspiring, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.